Welcome to my course that will teach you the 10 incredibly effective dropshipping strategies I use to gain thousands of customers from around the world every month and hundreds of thousands of dollars per year. My name's Nick Swami and I'm an entrepreneur with a collection of online companies that each generate up to $45,000 per month, a lot of which comes from dropshipping. So, what are my 10 dropshipping strategies for success? You'll be getting live on-screen video demonstrations for each of them throughout this course. Number 1, you'll learn how to choose the best products that have the greatest potential for massive sales. Number 2, you'll learn how to choose the best suppliers who have an excellent reputation, fast shipping times, an understanding of dropshipping, and who speak English. Number 3, you'll learn how to choose the best countries and shipping methods that you can effectively grow your business globally very quickly. Number 4, you'll learn how to use AliPocket to pay for orders, which will make everything easier, faster, and more convenient. Number 5, you'll learn how to get double cash back on every order so that your profit margins go through the roof. Number 6, you'll learn how to properly use images on your online store to increase sales, whether it's on Shopify or any other e-commerce platform. Number 7, you'll learn how to effectively use pricing and psychology to maximize sales, and I'll show you my new version of free plus shipping that's insanely powerful. Number 8, you'll learn how to optimize your order and shipping notification emails to improve sales and your customers' experience. Number 9, you'll learn how to effectively manage your customers to keep them happy whilst also keeping your workload small so that you can relax or even better, focus on skyrocketing your growth. Finally, number 10, you'll learn how to choose the best apps that will give you the greatest results and make your life easier but more productive. You'll notice that I don't cover marketing in this course. That comes after. These 10 strategies are what actually builds a 6 or 7 figure dropshipping business, so they need to be right first. The people who just focus on marketing usually fail because marketing doesn't work if everything else is wrong. So if you're starting a dropshipping business or already have one and want to make it a huge global success, then this course is for you. See you on the other side.